Hello, my name's Jeff Dyer and I'm with RHE Hat-Co, and I'm here today at Fashionable Hats in Largo, Florida to talk to you about hat maintenance. If you're wearing your hat, it's going to get a little bit of dirt and messed up. And that's really easy to take care of. You can get a hat cleaning brush, which they sell on their website. And it's really easy to clean. You want to go, if you notice there's a little bend to the brush, you can keep that kind of close to the crown. You want to go counterclockwise on top as you brush. So that you're going with the nap of the felt. On the underside, you're going to go clockwise because you want to stay with that nap and you're basically changing the orientation. Just keep brushing. If you get a little bit extra, you can have a steamer. You can use a steamer. If you don't have a steamer like this at home, a teapot works, or just a large pot of water on the stovetop with a lid on it, just so you can direct the steam a little bit. But steam activates the lacquer in the hat, brings it back to life. And while you're doing this, you've got the steamer out, and you've been wearing your hat. Not only has it gotten dirty, but it might have gotten a little wonky. This side might be sitting up too high because you left it resting against something. Place a little steam on the side. You want to place steam in the direction you want to move the hat. So what we're saying here is this hat, we want to bring this side down a little bit. So we're going to put the steam on the hat side. And then you can slowly bring that side back down so that it's nice and symmetrical again. Now if we wanted to go the other direction, bring the brim up a little bit, we would steam it to the other side. And you just kind of work it. Bring that hat back to life. With a little bit of care and some cleaning, as long as you don't put a hole on it, your hat can last you a lifetime. Thank you very much for your time. Have a good day.